All manufacturers, regardless of size or product, are engaged in the relentless pursuit of quality. But many never stop and ask, what is quality? What does quality cost? And who pays for it? Successful companies have discovered that quality applies to much more than the product being produced. Quality is now seen as encompassing every aspect of a company's operation, from its dealings with suppliers, to the design and timely manufacture of its products, to customer relations. Far from the mere absence of defects, quality is now being defined as continuously meeting or exceeding customer needs. Simply, it's providing total customer satisfaction on an ongoing basis. Although there are a multitude of costs in manufacturing for quality, they can be generally classified as direct or indirect costs. Direct costs include prevention, appraisal, internal failure, and external failure costs. Prevention costs are all the resources spent to prevent errors from being made within the company. It includes activities like quality audits, equipment capability analysis, defect prevention actions, process characterization, flowchart review, operator certification, and supplier qualification, to name just a few. Appraisal costs are all the resources spent to determine if an activity was done right the first time.
You might be looking at costs that relate to inspection and test. You've got a whole process typically in place in the organization to make sure you spot the defects before they get to the customer, which is a very good thing to do, but there's a cost associated with that. It'd be much better if the products were so good to begin with, you didn't have to have as much or any inspection. But if you're talking about the costs of poor qualities, there's some that just leap right off the page, and they're very familiar with any manufacturing company, or any company for that matter. Those are mostly those internal failure costs. Those are the ones we're pretty much familiar with.